today we're going over how to apply a new sticker. You can do this on cars, laptops, or wherever, but today we're using an iPad. So step 1 is to clean the surface that you're applying the sticker to. To do that, you can use isopropyl alcohol. Otherwise, if you don't have that, you can use water. But the alcohol does dry up faster, so if you're using water, make sure you allow that to dry properly. So I recommend using a microfiber cloth instead of paper towel or tissue, since the paper towel or tissue can leave behind some little bit of paper debris, whereas the microfiber is a lot cleaner. So go ahead and give that a good wipe, make sure everything's clean, and then you'll be ready to apply. So step 2 is to actually peel the sticker. Today we're using the Sad Boy Hour sticker in pink. So I'm just going to move the iPad aside. And then what we want to do is give this sticker a good squeegee beforehand to allow everything to stick properly. Once you've done that, we want to start with one corner and peel that corner. And then what I usually actually do is put the sticker against a flat surface and then peel the backing away from the sticker. So you want to peel directly against the sticker, just like I'm doing here. Instead of pulling up, you want to peel against. So for step 3, it's pretty simple. You just want to line up your sticker exactly where you're going to put it. So just get a good idea, hover above, don't stick it down just yet. And then step 4, we're applying the sticker. So you do want to push down in the center here, just to get that to stick and line up properly. And then from there, once you've got the center pushed down, you actually want to grab a squeegee and push from the center outwards. So what this does is it pushes all the air out and it gives you a smoother application with less air bubbles. So go ahead and give it a once or twice over with the squeegee. And I'm using a felt squeegee here, but you can also use a hard plastic squeegee if you have one of those, and just push it down again. Otherwise, if you don't have a squeegee, you can also use a debit card, credit card, or even like a membership card if you have one of those. Anything will do as long as it's kind of flat and rigid. So step 5, we need to actually peel the transfer tape away. So to do that, I usually grab one corner, and when you're peeling, you want to pull directly along the surface like we did with the backing earlier. What that does is it helps you with keeping the sticker down and also not introducing any air bubbles underneath if it lifts. So if you pull up, it's going to potentially create air bubbles. If you pull directly along it, you're going to have a smoother application here. Now for step 6, you just want to sit back and admire your freshly applied sticker. An optional step after that is to give the sticker another wipe with a microfiber towel, just to make sure everything's clean and shiny, but this one is up to you. You can use the alcohol again if you want, and just obviously be careful, make sure all the edges are down so that nothing catches on the microfiber there.